In this video, I will guide you how to set right side margin in Word. Setting the right margin in Microsoft Word is pretty simple, especially if you need a specific measurement like exactly 1 inch or 1.5 cm. Now use this method. So now click on the Layout tab on the top of your Word window and then click the margin button on the left side of the ribbon. And now select the custom margin at the bottom of the drop down menu. So in the page setup window that pop up, look for the right box under the margin section, and here is the top left, bottom right. Click inside the right box and type the desired measurement, for example 1.9, and now head to the apply to the whole document. Click OK, and here you can see that. Moreover, if you want to adjust a single paragraph right margin, for this you need to move the right side of the one specific paragraph rather than the whole page. For this you need to highlight the paragraph you want to change. So on the ruler, find a small triangle on the bottom right. This is called the right indent. Now drag that triangle to the left to the squeeze that specific paragraph inward, like this one. So in this way you can easily set right side margin in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.